and then let's go through the rest of the ones I got. So this is the Retevis HA2 is what it is. And this is model HA2. This one is a dual band ham radio. And I can't remember what I got this for, but I thought it was cool, so figured might as well just try it out. Retevis makes some good stuff from everything I'm hearing from everybody. So I know I got a good deal on it, so I figured why not. So these are made in China as well, but this one's pretty nice, guys. It definitely feels pretty good. It's got the speaker mic option there. It's got a nice push to talk, nice button. It feels pretty good in the hand. So yeah, buttons feel good. Not bad at all, guys. So got a big number pad and everything. I think that's pretty cool from Retevis. I think that's it's a nice one. I think that's a good looking HT. It feels good. It feels rugged. So this is the first Retevis I've ever bought. So I think that's pretty cool when you get a nice little user manual. But let's see what else is in this box. What does Retevis give us? Well, they're going to give us the HT antenna. And oh, this is something I was not expecting, guys. They are giving us a nice high quality programming cable. So that's specific to this radio. Big ups on that one, Retevis. Good job. Because you don't see those in radios very often. So, all right, what else do we got? So we get a USB adapter. We get the USB cable for charging. We get a belt clip. And then we get the battery. Well, that's a heavy battery, guys. Let's go ahead and pull it out for you. Why not? That's a pretty heavy battery. So far, hands on this Retevis is, I'm pretty impressed. Now granted, we haven't used this yet, but I'm pretty impressed by the feel of the quality of all this stuff. And then of course you get the nice charging base too. So I don't know what I'm going to do with all these charging bases that I got, but Retevis, man, I like the box and the packaging too, as stupid as it sounds. I know we're not here to grade the box and the packaging, but I think the box and the packaging is kind of nice too. So that's always nice to see. So yeah, that's the Retevis HA2 HA2. So yeah, I like that. That's a pretty nice rig. So I don't remember what I paid for that one, but it was on the Prime Day deal with Jason. So yeah, guys, that's a pretty cool one.